Hi there, Montessori parents. My name is Julia Lorraine Peterson, and I was your school's photographer this year. I'm also an alum, so it was really special for me to be back. So you've landed on a private viewing page, so only those with the link will see this. There's some information here to read through that goes over the deadline to order prints, which is Tuesday, November 5th. You'll get some reminders about that. I have that just because I'm a small business and I need to order all the prints at one time. Digital files will be available for the entire year, so don't worry if you miss it. So just take note that there is a promo code if you have more than one child and you plan on buying digital copies. You're going to want to remember the code siblings. But I'm going to hit view photos and take note of the password. So I do ask for email addresses, and that's just because if I need to communicate with you about your order, then I have your email. I won't add you to a newsletter or anything like that. So everything is arranged by class, so you'll want to just click on your child's class. And the first thing you're going to see is the class photo. There's a free 5x7 print that comes with any print order. So if you wanted a 5x7 of the class, you don't need to add that to your cart or anything. But you could purchase a different size or a digital if you wanted to. So I'll just go ahead and click on the first one. And click on her first photo, and I'll just show you some of the options. So I'm going to hit buy photo. There's packages or individual items. So if you go over here, you'll see that there's different print sizes as well as digitals. If you wanted to buy the full album with a digital and you have a second child, and you're going to buy this full album digital with that child as well, use that code siblings, and that's going to give you a discount on those full albums. So I'll go back to packages and just click one and hit select. And you're just going to want to, you can scroll through here and decide which one you want. So packages are for one single photo. So for this one, you would say you picked this photo, you would get wallets and a 5x7 of just this photo. So you can do multiple packages, you can do prints and packages, or however you would like to put them together. And then once you check out, and for the next 2 weeks, things are open. Once that's finished, I will compile everything and it'll be brought to the school. Digitals will go right to your inbox, so they'll be in your email within a few minutes. I think that's it. Please let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to email me. My email is on the landing page that we were just at, and I will be happy to answer any of your questions. Thank you so much for having me this year, and I really hope you love them. Thank you so much.